This is elevator 3 at the Columbia on Penn in Wilkinsburg, Pennsylvania. This is an old 50s Westinghouse with an EPCO CL by Schindler in the 90s. It's definitely a Westie, alright. It's kind of hot. You go up to 5. This one you go up to 5, but not 2 or 3. You go up to 4, 2, here you go up. This one's a lot more character. I think the other one was like that before Lynn's mod in 2019. Here are 5. I was hoping this would be original, but it does have a soft on. Yeah, controller's original, door equipment's original. Go back on the one that's burned out. Original call button out here. I guess I got this shot, but oh well. There's no phone, but there's a certificate. It's a basic wallpaper painted texture cab. Well, I'm not sure if it's wallpaper. I don't actually think it is. It's kind of dirty. Here back at 1. That's It closed immediately when I first did it, but now it won't even close. Okay, there we go. There it goes. Now it's going to be up.